Hello again and welcome back here. All right, let's see what else we can do here. I guess we can start with the furniture. Let's give these pieces a material. For example, I can start with this one and let's go to the materials and let's search for wood. And let's try to find something. Sorry, in the material section, let's search for wood. And let's try to find something dark suitable for this piece of furniture. Maybe this one. Click and drag and let's apply it. All right, the material applied perfectly. In case you got any problem, just tap, hit A, go to the UV and Q Smart UV project, and that's it. That will be applied better. All right, let's jump to the next one. This piece of furniture. Let's try to find another wood material. Let's see if we can apply this again on this one. All right. It could be applied now, but recently I can't, and I don't know why. But the question is this material works here or not? All right, I will keep this material and I will try to find something else. And you can use this ball. By the way, you can grab it and put it close to this area just to apply a different material on it, and then we can decide which one is better. For example, I can apply this one here and I can duplicate it to have another one, and let's try to find another material. All right, what else we can, maybe this one, just click and grab it and download it. Let's apply it right here. All right, let's duplicate this and let's try to find a different material. I found this material here. It looks nice. You can search for the name. It's written right here. I will grab it and apply it right here just to see it. 3 megabyte, looks very cool. I think we can use this one. All right, let's apply it. Yeah, I guess this one looks better. You can grab this piece of furniture and tap, hit A and go to the face, sorry, to the UV, smart, hit Arab. And let's see what that will give us. The idea is I want to fix the direction of the wood. That's all what I want to focus on. I will put the reference image right here and let's maximize this and let's grab this tab. I want to go to the edit mode. Maybe we can go to the local mode. It's up to you. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I will select these faces here. Hold Control Shift and grab that one. And now we got the face right here. Now I will rotate it like that. All right, and you can keep it out for now temporarily. And now I just fixed the direction of this wood, of this piece. And one more thing, maybe we can focus on those right here. The direction is not correct, and you can see how the woods goes, and this piece of UV is not goes with the flow of the wood. So I will rotate this like that. All right, and let's select these faces, hold Control, grab that one. In the same scenario, hit R to rotate 9 degrees like that. Now maybe we can focus on these as well. All right, so that's very cool. Now maybe those right here need to be rotated like this. And yeah, you can move this one up here. That's very cool. Nice. The direction of the sides looks nice. I have no problem with them. Now I will hit A and select everything and scale it because I want the wood material to be smaller. Maybe we can go beyond that by scaling this even more. Does that make sense? It's like to excite because I want to apply it here as well. Grab this hot, you have to grab this piece, Control L, and choose link materials. It's not visible because of the UV. Tab, hit A, UV Smart Arab. Okay, I think this direction will be okay, but all what we need to do is just scaling this, make it big. Grab this, hold shift to grab this, Control L, link materials, select this piece, tab, hit A, go to the UV, Smart Arab. All right, maybe now I can scale this a tiny bit and rotate it, I guess. Yep, I can do that. Maybe this one, hold shift to grab this, Control L, and choose link materials, tab, hit A, sorry, just select this one, tab out, grab this alone, tab, hit A, UV Smart Arab, tab, hit A, UV Smart and Arab it. And let's give it the same material, Control L, and choose link material. All right, maybe we can rotate it and scale it a little bit. All right, that's very nice. And for the legs, maybe we can give them the same material. I'll have to grab this, Control L, link materials. Material is not visible. Tab, hit A, go to the UV, Smart UV Arab, and then tab back. Yeah, cool. All right, that's very nice. What about the TV? All right, let's bring back the reference image. I just want to see the legs made of steel, I guess. All right, in this case, we can download. Let's search for metal. I can use one of these materials. Maybe this one. Or that's not going to work. It's not smooth material. Let's try to type smooth metal. Let's see which one of these works. If you can't find the material that works here, you can create it, by the way. It's very simple. Can we type, for example, clean metal? Let's see if this one works. All right, I didn't find a good material for this small piece. Maybe in this case, we can create a metal material and it will be simple. Just select the piece that you want to give it the material and delete the old material from it and create a new one. And you can call this TV metal like that. All right, and all what you need to do is just increasing the metallic to 1 and manipulate the roughness. If you want it to be reflective or a little bit rough, and if you like to manipulate the color, you can do that. So something like this, it will work. And for the frame, grab it and let's create a new material and let's call this TV underscore maybe plastic. I'm not so quite sure if plastic written like this. Hit enter and let's make this one dark and make it reflective a little bit like that. And that will be it for the frame. And for the screen, let's create new material as well and let's call this TV underscore screen. Enter. And this one should be gray like that, and rough, I guess, a little bit. I guess something like that. Like maybe something like this. And it's up to you. You can change that. Or something like that. It should be a little bit reflective. So this is how to create the TV material. It's very simple. And maybe now we can jump to this shelf, and I think I will apply the same wood material to it. Let's grab these pieces, hold shift to grab this one, for example, Control L and choose link material. Or we can apply this material. I think that's will be better. Hold shift to grab this, Control L and choose link materials. And let's use smart UV projection. Tab, grab all of these faces, hit A, UV smart, unwrap. And yeah, I can accept this result. Grab this piece of wood, tab, hit A, and unwrap them. Hold shift to grab this, Control L, link materials. And yeah, the result looks nice. Maybe we can change the direction of the wood if you want to get better results. Tab hits A and R to rotate these 90 degrees like that. And that's better. Very nice, very cool. Nice. All right, I think that's it for this video. I will end it here and see you on the next one.